Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can get the no beard filter on Instagram. Let's get started. Now, unfortunately, I'd like to put a disclaimer out there that the no beard filter is not available on Instagram. However, that doesn't mean you cannot apply it to your post, stories, or reels. All you need is a third-party filter application such as Snapchat. Snapchat has a variety of clean shaven, no beard filters which you can use, and simply go ahead and save that picture to your gallery. Once you've done that, you can simply upload it to Instagram and then go ahead and post your no beard filtered look. Now, of course, there are other applications you can use, such as You Can Makeup, which again, you can save a no beard filter picture onto your gallery and then upload it onto Instagram. And of course, we have another one called FaceHub. Now, all of these are useful no beard filter applications, and you can use any of them. Primarily, Snapchat is used, but of course, use whichever one suits you best. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.